welcome to the lounge at Victoria Harbour. Woo! I just happened to be walking up the stairs at the Bastion parkade and I couldn't help but notice this. Woo! I'm huffing and a puffing. I just did 8 flights of stairs. Woo-wee! So beautiful. That looks like a de Havilland otter that just landed at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. And looks like another otter is heading to the go spot. It's not very windy, so it's probably taking the far away waterway, runway, whatever you want to call it. I still have to figure that out. Is it waterway? Is it ocean runway? Help me. Yeah, we are in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Victoria being the capital city of the province of British Columbia in the country of Canada. This is home for me, born and raised, 3rd generation. Oh, and the Coho is coming in. How exciting is this? In my little world. So the Coho will come in before the otter takes off. That's how I'm guessing this. My apologies, I forgot my mic again, bad girl. Let's watch the one coming in because that's more exciting right now. And the Harbor Patrol is making sure, holy, I can see 2 boats, 1 and 2. They're making sure that everything's okay for the Coho to come in. It's a busy harbor. That's a big vessel I haven't seen before. Here in the background at Fisherman's Wharf. Well, I'm gonna go to the Coho and the otter that's going to depart. That's the Harbor Patrol. That shoal point off in the distance and those homes that you can see, those are actual float homes at Fisherman's Wharf. And the boats are at Fisherman's Wharf. That is the Coast Guard base in the far background there. It looks like a control tower, but it is flight services and they provide information to what's going on in the harbor. It's not an actual air traffic control. I don't think the harbor is busy enough for that. There's a Coho and an otter. There's an otter behind that Coho. Oh, I can hear it gonna take off. There it is. Oh, didn't quite get to see her come off the water, but should show up. There it is. a cruise ship in town. Or two. Well, that was fun.